Alright, hey, what's up guys, it's Roy here. So today I got another set of Aulumu cases here for my iPhone 16 Pro. Now these are the slim shockproof cases that you see here. They're gonna set you back around 60 bucks on their website. But if you go down in the description, they were kind enough to provide a unique link and a promo code that you can use to get 10% off your purchase. So big thanks to Aulumu for sending these out for review. So I wanted to leave this one in the packaging so you can see what it looks like. As I said here, shockproof case here. Does give you some different information about the phone case, which, you know, if you want to pause it, you can see, but it's dual layer. You know, it's got color changing temp sensing indicators. I mean, it's just a very unique case. So let's go ahead and get this out. So I went ahead and cut it so I can get it out easy instead of trying to rip open the stickers here. Just lift this part up. And let me just kind of pop this case out. And that is all she wrote. So let's put all three of these next to each other here. So we got this white one, we got a black one, and then this color is called yellowish brown, which I think is hilarious. So yeah, it definitely describes it. It looks more tan to me, but I can see the yellowish brown. It definitely does kind of give those vibes a little bit. Little bit different textures between the colors here. These two are a little more matted finish. The white one's a little bit more of a glossy white finish. And you know, you can just look and see how these look. I mean, I just think they look really cool. If we kind of put these up closer, you can kind of see the design of that camera bump is unique. It looks like it's got like little screws there. Just looks really cool, but you can see like the more, you know, silver aluminum look and more of the black aluminum alloy look there. So looks pretty cool. But looking in the interior, you can tell that they have MagSafe capabilities. All of them do. All the interiors are very similar, except the black one is more black. But you can see here we got this little heat dissipation little pad here, aluminum cutouts here inside, so you can kind of, you know, have some heat dissipation as well going on there. And then here on the sides, you know, you got some nice reinforced corners. So all in all, a very nice, well-made case. So let's go ahead and slap it on real quick. So I'm going to just start with this side here and then just kind of push in. And that's all she wrote. So there's the white one. So I'm going to make it quick, guys, because I don't want this video to turn into like a 15-minute video because I'm showing you 3 different colors. But the white one here, very high gloss, kind of a little bit of a slippery, smooth texture. The sides, you know, kind of the same material. So just right off the bat, if I was gonna choose one, I love the look of the white, but I like the texture of the black and the yellowish brown one better. It would have been kind of cool if they made a matte finish version of this, but I really like the way that this looks. I really like the way that this looks here as well. I just think it looks really clean and really sick. All around, I just think it looks really good. I mean, I really like this design. You never really see a bunch of these more squared edges, you know. Usually it's more rounded like this. So I think that's a little bit of a unique look. I think that looks cool. And then you can kind of see that 16 there. There is no Aulumu branding on the back here, but it is on this corner that you can see right there if the video does it justice. But looking at the side, you can see that we do have a power button that is matching. And then we do have a pretty nice little cutout there as well for the camera control button. And then the bottom here, you can see that we have a nice little cutout there for the USB-C port and the speakers and microphones. Reinforced corners here, little rubbery part there. And then on the side, you can see that we do have that matching aluminum styling for the buttons on this side. And then that's just kind of the design look from the top-down view there. And then uninstalling the case is pretty simple. It's not very difficult at all. So you just kind of pop it off there. So we'll do black. I kind of want to save that yellowish brown one for last. So let's go ahead and pop on the black one here. And that's the look there. Looks pretty good. I don't know, for some reason I'm really digging this yellowish brown one. I like the color, but this black one looks really good too. And one thing that I do like is, and I'm not sure, yeah, I guess that one had it too, but I'm noticing it more on here with this more gummy lip around the front. So when I'm holding the phone, I can kind of feel that there if I'm like kind of, I don't know, just, I guess I don't really hold my phone that high up, so it would have been nice if the sides were a little bit more texturized for the grip, but with the matted finish, it does feel better than that more high gloss finish. And then that's just kind of the overall look there, so just kind of showing you it real quick. So with this one installed, let's go ahead and do the wobble test. So face down, no shaking going on at all, and back down, shaking. I mean, it's inevitable, it's gonna happen, is what it is. So now let's go ahead and pop this one off, and let's do the yellowish brown now. So boom, 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 and there's that one. And yeah, I kind of like this one. It's different looking. It looks yellowish brown. I mean, it definitely does, but I like the pop of color with the aluminum, you know, kind of alloy silver color there. Once again, I just think it looks really, really good with that kind of design right there. What do you think? I don't know. Let me know down in the comments, but looks pretty sick. But just kind of show you the all around look real quick. Looking at the front, you can see that grippy part there. So looks pretty good, very slim, tempered glass friendly as well. So now let's go ahead and do the clicky button test. So power button, very clicky, volume up and down, clicky as well, and action button, clicky as well. Very, very, very responsive. So big thumbs up there. Also, while I have this one on, let's go ahead and test out the MagSafe capabilities. So MagSafe passes with flying colors. That strength of that magnet is very strong. I mean, as you can see here, it just finds it. And I can swing it around. I can do all that like I usually like to show in the videos. So MagSafe is a big plus. So MagSafe accessories, all that, NFC, you can do Apple Pay, all that. You're not having any interference with this phone case installed. So with all that being said, guys, this is a pretty nice looking case. I mean, it's a high-end case once again from Aulumu. I mean, you know, it's not a super cheap case like 15 bucks or something like that, but you get what you pay for. It's unique, it's different. I think it's worth taking a peek for sure if you are thinking about something unique like this phone case here. So with all that being said, guys, check them out. Like I said, there's going to be a link down in the description. I highly recommend going. And, you know, who knows, maybe you fall in love with one of them when you're kind of looking around. So, but there we have it, guys. So hit that like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe, ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless, and we'll see you on the next one.